Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss National Center for Physics Assistant Manager Artificial Intelligence paper which was conducted at 15 June 2025. So here is the list of questions which I noted from that paper so you can understand what type of questions they will ask in the question paper for the post of assistant manager artificial intelligence. So first question is, what is the benefit of LSTM algorithm over RNN? So this is the first question. So if you like my video and if you comment under my video, then I will make another one video in which we will cover the solutions to these questions. Okay, so if you need another video, please mention in the comment section. Okay, so the second question is, flip-flop is a sequential circuit or combinational circuit? So if this question is related to digital logic design subject, so if you have basic knowledge of digital logic design, then you can easily answer this question. As I can give you a hint, a flip-flop is a sequential circuit, right? Because we need clock in flip-flop, so that's why it has some sort of memory element in it. So a flip-flop is a sequential circuit. Okay, moreover there are many other reasons which we can give, which by which we can understand whether a flip-flop is a sequential circuit or a combinational circuit. Then the next question, question number 3 is, RNN algorithm, which is an artificial intelligence algorithm, is used for which purpose? The fourth question which I noted from that paper is actually a general knowledge question, in which they ask Operation Sindoor, which was launched by the India, is launched on night between dash May and dash May. So I think it was launched between the night of 6th and 7th May. So this is a general knowledge related question related to recent current affairs. Okay, so the next question is related to Python. As we know, the Python is widely used in artificial intelligence. So they ask us a really simple question: if you ever write a simple line of code in Python, then you can easily answer this question. So they ask, what is the output of this print statement, in which they give 5 divide double sign divide by 2. Okay, so you can write it in any online Python IDE and you will find the solution to this question. I think the answer of this question is 1. So the sixth question is, two equations are linearly independent if and only if. So they ask question related to mathematics. So I think the answer is if their inverse does not exist. Two equations are linearly independent if and only if their inverse, the solutions contains answer related to that a inverse does not exist, a power minus 2 does not exist, or a power minus 4 does not exist. So these are some options for this question. And then the next question is the transformer architecture. This is a not a electrical transformer. This is a transformer. You know, the latest AI models like ChatGPT is based on the transformer architecture, and the transformer architecture is based on the concept of. So if you ever see the paper which makes the foundation of this modern AI world, as well as it makes the foundation of the ChatGPT, is the paper with name Attention All You Need. Okay, the title of the paper is Attention All You Need. So the transformer architecture is basically based on the concept of attention. So there is one MCQ on which is actually attention. So a transformer architecture is based on attention, and then they ask some really simple question like what NLP stand for. NLP and then GPT, the some portion of chat GPT as you use in your daily life. So what is the full form of NLP and GPT? NLP stand for natural language processing, and GPT stand for, you can search for it. I think it is a generative pre-trained transformer like that. So which of the following is not a layer of CNN? So it is asking question, lot of question related to AI. So if you are preparing for the AM AI paper, then you should have a strong foundation in AI, right? So which is not a layer of convolutional neural network, a very famous topic in AI. So they give four MCQs, and three are actually the layers of CNN, and another fourth one is not a layer. So you need to identify which one is not the layer of. And then the 10th question is activation function. Activation function is based on. So activation function, there are different questions, different options related to this. So you need to find out from the list of functions which function is not an is used for activation function in CNN. Next question is also based on the activation function. They give you four functions, and they ask you what is the activation functions. And the next question is slightly from microprocessors or computer architecture, like subjects from these. So the question is the register which store the address of the next instructions to be executed is called, I think the answer to this question is program counter, right? The extension of the file we use to upload a program in microcontroller, they give different options for this question number 13, bin file, text file, hex file. So I think the best answer for this question is hex file. Who is called the poet of the nature? They give different questions, different options for this question. Who is called the poet of nature? So you can search on the web and you will easily find. The model which describes the motion of object without considering forces. I think this model you need to actually search. I think which model which we can in which describe the motion of object without considering any forces. And the next question is related to the online web services, cloud services actually, which are available for artificial intelligence. So they give four MCQs and ask which of the following is not a cloud service for artificial intelligence. So you need to identify, I think Amazon SageMaker, AWS Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. And the fourth one is something from Google Cloud Service, I think. So you need to find out which of the following is not a cloud services for artificial intelligence. And then they ask for which Python library is used for plotting. I think the matplotlib is the answer for this question. And the final question which I noticed from that test is they give equation and you need to identify the features and the weights. I think the x1, x2, x3 and x4 and so on, these are the features of this equation, and a1, a2, a3 are the weights of this equation. So I hope you will enjoy this video. If you like, please hit the thumb up button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that you will be notified for the future updates. Goodbye.